Hi, what's up? Today I show you how you can order a Revuelto Lamborghini, the brand new Aventador successor. And it's very simple. Today I show you the order of my Lamborghini Revuelto. You just go to the configurator of Lamborghini if you want to do it online. If you really want this car, you go to Lamborghini, you tell them, let me drive it, show me, let me sit in it, there, and then you just buy it and make the configuration with those guys. But if you want to do it online, today everything is digital, so it makes sense. You go to the configurator di Lamborghini.com and then you make your own Lamborghini. You choose your color, you choose your rims, you choose your brake, you choose your top view, yeah, the bonnet. You choose your style package, you choose your exterior. In this case, it was this little strap on the diffuser. And yeah, you choose whatever you want. Then you choose the interior, which is this beautiful brown tan with yellow stitching. And then you choose your options. Of course, you want everything, all the assistance. And then you have your car. And then you can send contact request. And it automatically goes to your dealership nearby. And then your dealer can make you an offer for exactly this car with those details. It's very easy. And you get this file then. Let's open this one. And it looks like this. And this is a PDF file which your dealer gets. And it looks like this. In this case, here, your new Revuelto. And you see the interior, the exterior. From now on, Lamborghini is under blah, blah, blah. 1015 horsepower. V12 hybrid, they call it HPEV, high performance electrified vehicle hybrid super sports car. And you have the exterior, which is Viola Mitras. I'm not really sure if it's the color from the Diablos, but especially in Miami, people were driving Lamborghini Diablos in this color, which is very sexy and an old Lamborghini color. It's nothing new. That's very nice about it. You have these beautiful rims in 21 inch in the front, 22 inch in the back. Forged rims, Altanero, bronze, shiny diamond cut. You have the yellow giallo brake calibers. CCB, what is this? Carbon ceramic brake. Carbon ceramic brake. Is it ceramic in English? Ceramic brake, ceramic, carbon ceramic brake. Yeah, I think this sounds better. And this is the top view. Looks yeah, like an Aventador, really. Yeah, if you look at this, it's very, very similar to an Aventador. I have the engine grid in titanium, which is this over here. We have a front picture, we have a back picture, and we have exterior liveries and stickers, yeah, and the bright yellow back here, purple, yellow. Purple goes very well with yellow and with bright green, because purple is such a crazy color that those other crazy colors don't make it crazier. It just suits the car. If you put some bright accents like the yellow caliber, it matches really well. So style package, body color, exterior, yeah, this is what I did. This is usually in black, but over here details, I did it in Poga Negra, body color, front bumper, matte black. Yeah, now it's also in purple. Looks a little bit like a Senna if you look how deep the front eye I wanted to say front light looks. It's very deep in the car and you have these lines. Of course, when you look at it from the front, it's 100%. It's reminding every single car person to a Lykan Hypersport. But yeah, it's also a little bit from the Senna, the style. And the rear is a little bit like the Countach. And it looks a little bit like a Sian. Then you have here the McLaren display and the McLaren flowing touchpad, which McLaren started some years ago already to make those high up flying touchpads. We have interior, luxury, sportiness, performance, meet, comfort, versatility. Lamborghini interiors combine high-level technologies, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's a VW product, so you have VW/Audi infotainment in there, which is really nice. This is, I see it for the first time, this must be the titanium bonnet thing, which looks pretty cool here. Yellow stitching, color trim, Classica trim, basic color is Nero Ade, which are those parts. Contrast color Terra Emilia, and the stitching is Verde Scandale. Very scandalic, the stitching color. So this looks very boring. I would like to have either some carbon steering wheel, or also in the Classica trim, the steering wheel, and also the dashboard. Of course, it's mirroring itself in the front window, but I really like it when it's fully bright. I don't like the black here. So we have fully electric heater and heated seats. The Nero Ade belts in black, which is boring as well, which you should replace with maybe yellow, matching the brake calipers and the stitching. We have the floor mats, also with double stitching, matching also, you can see here. We have the passenger display. As you can see, this car is currently here in this arena, driving 240 kilometers per hour also here, maybe even miles per hour, who knows. Equipment list, the rear view camera, of course we need this, headlamps package, smartphone interface and connected service, Lamborghini Connect, vehicle tracking system, pre-trip cleaner, Lamborghini protective film, yeah, everything. We have the stitching in the seats, of course, the Lamborghini logo, and I think that's all, yeah. Those cars are sold out for the first 2 years, that's what they say. I ordered mine really early, of course, so I get mine. Mine is the first one in the whole world, and yeah, I'll make some videos about it when it arrives. There are so many people out there which are saying things like this. They are showing you this file. Yeah, I ordered my Lamborghini. Of course, here it's saying you new Revuelto, right? But it's completely how do you say? BS. When I say the full word, I think YouTube doesn't like it with monetization. I'm still far away from monetization, which is sad because I was monetized before, because I'm a very long time YouTuber. I have several channels, and I think also on this channel it had a different name, but it was this channel. I had a monetization when before they started to make the monetization a little bit harder to get, and it's crazy because I was earning some euros with some old videos that are now private and they are not public anymore, but they removed me from the monetization because they now have this deadline to get like 1,000 subscriptions. I have over 1,000, I have this, but I also need 4,000 hours of watch time, and currently I have 1,000, which was very difficult to get. But yeah, I hope some people watch it until this end of the video, because it gives me some time to finally get monetization, because you guys get advertisements, but I don't get anything out of it, and I hope it changes. So thank you very much for watching my video about my Lamborghini Revuelto, and now I have to sneeze. Oh, it stopped. I really had to. That's why I have my future FP2 mask on. I wish you a beautiful day. Enjoy your loving day. Create your own Lamborghini Revuelto and have the dream to order one of these. For me, it's not really a goal to order a new Revuelto. The special versions are more interesting, but of course you have to order these boring entry models. This now is the coolest shit. Oh, I can't say shit, I think. Oh, I said it 2 times. Oh no, oh! Yeah, I wait for some SVJ models and stuff, and those become more interesting, because this one will be like the normal Aventador, a very boring car, but maybe the prices will rise a little bit. The first Aventador was very bad. Aventador S was much better, much more drivable. But the normal Aventador, I think you can get those very cheap, and because they are very cheap and not well done. Of course, Audi technology made it much better than, for example, the Diablo and Murcielago, which were the worst ever. But yeah, thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Watch my other videos. I have many beautiful videos. I love you guys. Au revoir. Sayonara.